Hello YouTube. I just want to show you this giant Rite Aid truck who's stuck. Yeah, he's pretty angry. He's cursing. He brought out his shovel. He's pretty angry. I don't want him to see me recording when else he gets mad and starts chasing me. So I see it's night now. Night of January 27th. Pretty cold. Yeah. Oh, there. Oh, I think he hit someone's car. Oh, he's trying to run. I think he hit her. I'm gonna go around quickly and just check it out. I know I'm being nosy, but I will show you guys. Alright? So I'm gonna run around quickly. I don't want to let him see the camera. Alright, this is a better view, but no, he did not hit the car. One and Y turns, yeah, we can see that. Sanitation truck, he can't do anything about it, so he hide the camera. Remember, I don't want him to see. I'll probably tell you to skip to a certain part. Basically, it's a mess now, but roads are clear. Oh, sorry, covered the lens. I have giant mittens on. Everything's a mess. But basically the roads are clear. Well, not that road. So I was gonna make this update, but since that truck happened, I'll show you guys. Alright, stay tuned for my next videos. Bye.